Topic: Simple electric circuits. Simple electric circuits. I demonstrate a simple electric circuit with an energy source, cell, switch, conductor, and a light bulb or buzzer. Sketch the circuit, showing how to use component symbols. Circuit diagram. Each learner draws a circuit diagram using the correct symbols for components. Circuits and components. An electric circuit needs three basic things to work. 1. An energy source. This can be a cell or a stronger power source. 2. A complete circuit. There must be an unbroken pathway of conducting materials through which the electrical current can flow. 3. A load. There must be some form of resistance in the circuit. This could be in the form of a light bulb, a resistor, a motor, or other electrical components. Definition: component. A component is one part of a whole system. To show how an electric circuit should be connected, we draw circuit diagrams with symbols that show each component. This is a simple way to represent the electric circuit. This table shows the symbol we use for each component. Name picture symbol. Electrochemical. Cell, or just a cell. Cells in series, which means they are next to each other, called a battery. Switch. Light bulb or resistor. Buzzer. Conducting wire. Building an electrical circuit. Your teacher is going to demonstrate how to connect a simple circuit. This circuit consists of a cell, a switch, and a light bulb that have been connected by insulated copper conducting wires. The image below shows what it should look like. Image 1. Circuit diagram. Circuit diagrams are shown as rectangular boxes, even though the real circuit looks quite different. Image 2 shows what the circuit diagram will look like for image 1. Activity: answer the following questions. 1. What are the three basic things that you need to make a simple electric circuit? 2. How do you think you can see if the circuit in image 1 is working? 3. What do you think would happen if you made a mistake while putting the circuit together as in image 3? 4. Look at the circuit diagram below. A. What symbol is shown in position A? B. Complete the circuit diagram by drawing in the missing symbols. 5. Draw a circuit diagram in the space below. It must show the following components. 3 cells in series. A switch switched on. A buzzer. A resistor.